Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna solve this equation. So we have fractions, we have x over x plus 1 plus x plus 1 over x equals to 13 over 6. First, the denominators of the fractions must not be equal to 0, so we have that x plus 1 must not be equal to 0, or x different at minus 1, and from the other denominator x different than 0. If we find these solutions, we must reject them. Let's start to see how we can solve it. Now we must multiply all the fractions with 6 times x plus 1. So we can write it as 6x plus 1 fraction x plus 1 plus 6x plus 1 x plus 1 over x equals 6x plus 1 fraction 13 over 6. Now we cancel what we can, this and this, this and this, and this with this. So we have 6x squared plus 6x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals 13x times x plus 1. If we continue, we have 6x squared plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 6 equals 13x squared plus 13x. If we do the subtractions here, finally we have x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation, so we must find the discriminant to see if we have real solutions. Discriminant is type b squared minus 4 times ac, where here a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to minus 6. So this becomes discriminant is 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 6. The discriminant is, this is 1, this is 4 times minus 6 is minus 24, and this minus plus 24, so is 1 plus 24 or 25 is greater than 0. So here we find the solutions from the formula. So x1 and 2 solutions are minus b plus minus square root of the discriminant over 2a. If we substitute, we have x1, 2 is minus 1 plus minus square root of 25 over 2 times 1, or x1, 2 solution is minus 1 plus minus 5 over 2. Well, here we have that x1 equals minus 1 plus 5 over 2 or 4 over 2 equals 2, and the other solution is minus 1 minus 5 over 2 equals to minus 6 over 2 equals to minus 3. So we have solutions, write it over here. We have solutions that x1 equals to 2, one solution, and x2 equals to minus 3, another solution. Our two solutions are different from minus 1 and 0. Let's make a quick check here to see if we're right. So for x equals to 2, we have 2 over 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 over 2 equals, we have 2 over 3 plus 3 over 2, so this is 2 times 3 times, so this is equal 4 plus 9/6 or 13 over 6. So x equals 2 is the right solution. For x equals to minus 3, we have minus 3 over minus 3 plus 1 plus minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 equals, this is minus 3 over minus 2 plus minus 2 over minus 3. The same way, we have minus minus, so this is plus, and minus minus here, so this is plus again. So we have 4 plus 9 equals over 6 equals to 13 over 6. Let's do this here. We have 3 times and 2 times here. So x equals to minus 3. We can use it as a solution. Hope you understand it. If you find it useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.